Hey guys, it's Ethan with Dynamic Graphic Screen Printing and Graphic Design, and I got another tutorial video for you today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to generate spot color separations from your vector art in either Corel Draw or Adobe Illustrator without having to go in and manually separate it. This is something that I've seen shops do in the past, and it's mainly just because people are unaware of this really simple trick. What they do is they actually go in and create multiple pages down here, and they'll create one page for each separation, and on each page it'll be like a black and white separation. Okay, so this is real quick, and it's real simple. As you can see, this artwork is going to print black and white on, I think we did these on brown shirts. I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly. But obviously there's a lot of detail in this, and it's a very complex design. So if we had to go in and do this manually, like go in and create one separation for the white and one for the black, we'd be here all day. It's too time consuming, and time is money, right? So we want to be able to print film positives directly from this so that when we're viewing it on the computer, we can still see it full color as it will appear on the t-shirt, but be able to print black and white film positives when we send this to the printer. And the way you do this, and by the way, this works in both Corel Draw and Adobe Illustrator. It's the same. What you want to do is you want to go to Window, Color Palettes, and you want to select Pantone Solid Coated as your color palette. And that's the second color palette you see over here to the far right edge of my screen. And whenever you're coloring your artwork in either Corel or Illustrator, you just want to pick colors from this palette. So in this case, like the skull here is white. We've used transparent white to color it, and then for the black, we've used I think we used hexachrome black here. And when you use colors from this palette, both Illustrator and Corel automatically understand that you want these to be spot colors. So when you go to File and Print, let's see, I'll select my printer, current page, separations. So I go click Print Separations. Now you see there are only 3 colors listed here now. There are no CMYK colors listed because there is no CMYK color in this artwork. Everything is only colors from this Pantone palette. There's the 4485, that's the background color, and then there's a transparent white, and then there's a hexachrome black. Now I'm going to deselect the background color because obviously I don't want to print that as a film positive. So now I only have, these are the only 2 colors that I want to print positives from. I'm going to print preview. Boom. There we go. See, this is everything that's going to be white, and when I go to print this, it's going to print solid black. And I'll click over here. This is everything that's going to be black. So that's it. It's really simple. Just whenever you're designing your artwork, just make sure you use colors from the Pantone Solid Coated palette, and you won't have to worry about going in and manually separating everything over and over and over again for each color in your artwork. So again, just to recap, these, like I said, this palette is basically just spot colors, and if you don't already have this palette open, and I don't think it's open, it's not, I know it's not a default palette in Illustrator, and it's not default in Corel either, I don't think. But you just go to Window, Color Palettes, and it's down here, Pantone Solid Coated. I think in Adobe Illustrator it's called Color Books, and but it's still called a Pantone Solid Coated in both cases. So that's it. It's real simple. Just use colors from this palette, and you'll never have to go to and manually separate artwork ever again. You'll be able to print separations directly from it.